Welcome students. This is third video on chapter 10 Moving Near and Far. In this video we will learn about railways, important rail lines of the world and trains in India. Railways. Railways are the most important and preferred means of transport for traveling long distances comfortably and at low fare. So, railways are very important and also preferred for long distance. If we want to travel long distances or if we have to go to far off places, so we choose railways because they are very much preferred. Why do we choose them? Because they are traveling by train is very comfortable and it also cost less amount of money. It is cheap also. Okay, so railways are the most important and they are preferred means of transport for traveling long distances comfortably and at low fare. See, if we want to travel long distances, we can also travel by aeroplane. It is also comfortable, but the fare is very high or the ticket costs a lot. Okay, so railways are comfortable also and the railway ticket doesn't cost much. Large quantities of goods can also be carried easily by trains. See, trains can also carry large amount of goods very easily. Okay, from one place to another. Okay, special type of trains are there which are called goods train, which carry goods, okay, large quantities of goods from one place to another. Earlier, trains used to run on steam engine. So earlier, steam engines were used in trains or trains used to run on steam engines. But the invention of diesel and then electric engine, that first steam engine was invented, later diesel engine and after that electric engine. But with the invention of diesel and electric engine, the railways has been revolutionized. It has completely changed the railways. Now the railways travel at fast speed. Almost all countries of the world have railway network. So this railway network can be found in almost all the countries of the world. Important rail lines of the world. See, Seikan Tunnel in Japan is the longest and the deepest undersea rail tunnel in the world. It is the longest also and even the deepest undersea rail tunnel in the world. Channel Tunnel is another undersea tunnel which connects United Kingdom and France. Trans-Siberian Railway, it is the longest railway line in the world. So which is the longest railway line in the world? Trans-Siberian Railway. And it is over 9,000 kilometers long. What is the distance? This railway line is of 9,000 kilometers long and it runs from Moscow to Vladivostok. It takes 7 days to cover this distance. Important rail lines of the world now. See, transcontinental railways They run across an entire continent. See, the name itself suggests transcontinental. Means it runs along the entire continent. From one end of the continent to the other end. Okay. Transcontinental are in these transcontinental railways, they can be found in USA, Canada and Australia. Now, high speed trains, some of the trains move at great speed, at very high speed. Which are these trains? The maglev of China, bullet train of Japan and TGV of France. These are the high speed trains. These trains move with an average speed of over 250 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of these trains? It is 250 kilometers per hour. Trains in India. The first train in India ran between Mumbai and Thane in 1858. Okay, so the first train in India, it ran between Mumbai to Thane. Okay, and in the year 1858. Nowadays, India's railway network is the fourth largest in the world. Okay, India has fourth largest railway network in the world after USA, Russia and China. Many superfast trains like Shatabdi, Rajdhani and Duronto Express. Okay, these are the superfast trains which run very fast. Okay, and what are the names? Shatabdi, Rajdhani and Duronto. And luxury trains are also there. What is a luxury train? Luxury train is the one in which all the luxuries, all the comforts are there. Okay, like Palace on Wheels, Fairy Queen and Golden Chariot. They also run in India. So in India you can also find super fast trains like Shatabdi, Rajdhani and also luxury trains like Palace on Wheels, Fairy Queen and Golden Chariot. They also run in India. Trains in India. Now, Lifeline Express is a mobile hospital train running in India. See, what is the name? Lifeline Express. The name itself suggests. So, it is a mobile. Mobile means moving. Hospital train. Hospital train means it provides medical services. It moves from place to place to treat the patients. So, Lifeline Express is a mobile. Mobile means something which moves. Hospital train. It is a hospital train running in India. Some major cities of India like Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Jaipur, Kochi and Bengaluru, they also have metro trains. Mumbai and Kolkata have a system of local trains also. In Mumbai and Kolkata, there is a system of local trains also.